রাতের আধারে আমরা ঘুরতে চলে এসেছি অন আমাদের ইনস্টিটিউটে এবং এখন বাজে 10:19। আমার ফ্রেন্ড মাই ফ্রন্ট সাইড জনি, great man Najim, and also me. Lots of different variation flower we see nearly. My friend Najim, he is a flower lover. I symbolize flower means the beautiful angel. Symbolically I called flower. Here front side dog. Dogs mean lovely animal. Here two people, they are dog lover. আমরা একাডেমি এক্সাম বিল্ডিং এর সামনে আজকে টুডে অন 9 December 2025 here present all the body promise now today they will be catch on beautiful but golden goal also me inshallah we try to hard work to achieve a government job in the 2050 postmodern time. All our Bangladesh situation, all mother they are fine, lovely girls mother, they earn গব জব জামাই এমন জামাই তাদের পছন্দ স্টাবলিশ and my all girlfriend they are need my boyfriend achieve a job. In the other hand you look me my position my situation so bad. নারী হচ্ছে ফুলের মতো like a rose flower but they betray lots of people like me. I am an innocent boy. I love my all girlfriend too much.
Not only
I am drinking also. Few minutes ago I take my lovely flowers lotus eaters. Great time we pass now.